Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating good thumbnails for your videos. Let's get started. People who are browsing their feed might stumble upon your video content that you recently posted. YouTube gets more video clicks when people see great visual art thumbnails for their videos. Your video's thumbnail is the first part that will be seen by your viewers. The first visual that people will see that will attract them to clicking on your video and watch it. The more visually appealing your thumbnails are, the more chances of your thumbnails getting clicked on. So create good thumbnails for your videos to attract more people to click on your video content. Let's take a look at some tips on how you can create good thumbnails for your videos. First, choose a striking background color. People get distracted with colors, especially if it's a loud color. Make sure it doesn't hurt someone to look at your thumbnail. Choose a good solid background. It's best to choose one dominant color for your background, and that will be more visually appealing. Next, choose a catchy headline. Adding a short and catchy text on your thumbnail will let people know at a glance what your video is all about. This saves time since they won't be looking at your title shown as plain text anymore, as your thumbnail is more of an eye-turner than reading the plain text title of your video. Next, add your image. You can include a visual art, a person, or your photo as a content creator. This way, people know that the video they will choose to click on is made by the person shown in the thumbnail, or that person in the thumbnail can also be the one speaking in the video. Creating good thumbnails for your video increases your video's metrics. If your video's thumbnail catches your viewers' attention and they click on it, it adds to your video views metrics. Just make sure to make a good content parallel to your thumbnail's headline. Avoid creating thumbnails as clickbait. It will only ruin your reputation and metrics, and also, people will lose trust in your brand. Now let's try to add a thumbnail to our video that we'll upload. Go to your Facebook page. Click on Creator Studio, and in this section, click on the Upload Video button. Click the single video button to upload one video for our post. Choose the file from your drive. You will see this Upload Video page as your video is uploading. You may notice the preview of the video that you are uploading in this section. Also, as you can see here, it doesn't have a thumbnail yet, and this is what your viewers will see if they saw your video on their feed or their search results page without a thumbnail. Click this thumbnail tab so that we can add a custom thumbnail from our drive. This is the preview of your video without a custom thumbnail. Click the Add button below to locate the custom thumbnail from your drive, then upload it here. Once it's added, it will show you how your thumbnail looks in this section. Then go back to the video description, and below, you may notice that the thumbnail we've added is now shown here. This is what people will see as they stumble upon your video. They will see your thumbnail first before seeing the first part of your video. Content creators must take time to create good thumbnails for every video content that you will be uploading. People get attracted more with your post when you have good thumbnails for every video content that you upload. This increases the chances of your videos getting clicked on. Your thumbnails can boost your conversion rates too. Now that you know about creating good thumbnails for your videos, we can now proceed to the next topic, analyzing your performance in Creator Studio. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.